Okay, so next we're going to take a look at percent increase or decrease level 2. So what is the result when the number 36 is decreased by 6%? And we can do this the same way we were doing the level 1. We're going to grab, we can use our formula where you've got percent increase, which is your principal or original amount, 1 plus the rate, and this is percent.
It's all backwards.
Increase.
It's all backwards.
Or we have, okay, sissy, or you have percent decrease, where you have your amount is equal to your principal amount or original amount invested, 1, and then decreases using subtraction. So 1 minus your rate, that's decreasing. So for this problem, we're doing a decrease problem. 36 is decreased by 6%, right? So we're going to do 36, 1 minus 6% as a decimal, 0.06, right? If you're not sure what that is, just divide 6 by 100 and in your calculator, and you should get 0.06. The other way you might remember is we're moving 2 decimal places over because we're dividing by 100. So let's see here. That gives us 36 times 1 minus 0.06 is, what is that? 0.94. And you can grab your calculator and do that. 36 times 0.94, and that gives us 33.84, right? 33.84 would be our final amount. Let's type it in and see what delta mass says. 33.84, submit, yes, and they like. Okay. This is the same deal. 91 decreased by 9%, decreased by 9.5%. Decreased by 3%, decreased by 57%, and you can use a little number sense, right? So we know 50% of 90 is 45, right? So we know it's going to be somewhere, like our final answer should be somewhere in that vicinity. So if you're getting a really big number or a really small number, you're not getting close to what you think half, right? If your percent decrease is 57%, it should be around half, maybe a little more than decreased by half, right? So yeah, all right, and that's percent decrease, increase and decrease level 2.